What's up everyone, it's Chris from Rarefied Frags. Thank you for joining my channel, I really do appreciate it. Today I have 4 fragrances I'm going to just open up. They came from many different stores. There's no particular order that I'm going to open these. So without further ado, let's get into opening them. First one I'm going to open is Versace L'Homme. Man, they got this sucker packaged up like crazy, man. Old school bottle, nice looking, different from the rest. Let's see how it smells. Let it dry down. Woo! This smelled like I went back in the time machine into the 70s. And I got a afro with the black power fist pick in it. And I got a silk shirt on with the buttons undone. Yeah, that's what that smells like. Oak moss. That's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Up next, Davidoff Cool Water Aquaman. Collector edition. This is, I guess, a flanker of the original Davidoff Cool Water. All right. Cool looking bottle. Let's see what that juice smell like. Woo, that's strong. That's a strong atomizer, boy. Almost shot the paper out of my hand. Oh, this is good. This is really good, actually. It's real citrusy, like oranges. It reminds me of being in the ocean. I mean, it's very fitting. I want to say there's like a little bit of saltiness. This is good. Davidoff Cool Water Aquaman. Up next, Perriellis Portfolio Elite. All right, nice bottles, just like the Portfolio Red by Perriellis. Let's see what this smells like. Let it dry down. Hair shampoo, in a good way. Blueberries, very sweet, good. Last but not least, Kanye West, Whatever It Takes. Cool little slip-off box. Just to flip to another box. Nice looking bottle. It's pretty cool. Let's see what it smells like. Let it dry down. This is nice. Fruity, boozy. It's kind of boozy. Got like an alcohol vibe to it. This is rich, a rich smelling fragrance. I'm impressed. This is good. Yeah, this smells like Invictus by Paco Rabanne. Very close. That completes this video. If you have any of these fragrances, please leave a comment below and tell me what you think about them. If you like them, if you dislike them, I really want to know. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you keep up with all my future videos. And until next time, everybody stay blessed. And if you smell good, you feel good.